One helpful tool in Kids Infobits is the highlight and note-taking tool. This allows you to make highlights of important information and take notes and save these to your Google Drive. This is important because when you are writing your research, it allows you to focus on the information that is most helpful for you. So first you're going to have to actually read the text and decide what information is most helpful for you. So for what I'm looking for, this information right here is most helpful. So I'm going to drag and select the text that I want. I'm going to click highlight from the toolbar that pops up when you select the text. Click highlight, choose your color, and you have made your highlight. You also have the opportunity to make any notes. I'm going to write the main idea, so I click on notes, and I'm going to say that baby chicks are dependent, All right, so once I've written my note, I'm going to click save. And for now, my information is saved. And to look at it, I'm going to go to the right-hand side where you see Tools, go down to Highlight and Notes, click. All right, my information that I've saved pops up here. If you want to look at it more closely, click on View All Highlights and Notes. All right, so what you see is a chart of your information, the title of the article that you are using, the notes that you took, and the selected text that the note is based on. You can also color code your highlights, so remember how you can choose your colors. If you are writing different kinds of information, if you are organizing it in some kind of way, you can use this as a tool. It also gives you the bibliographic information. And of course, when you are doing research, you always have to show where your information was retrieved from. Now I want to save this to my Google Drive. To do this, go to the toolbar on the right-hand side, click on Send to Google Drive. It tells me that my information has been sent. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to the waffle on the right-hand side. I'm going to click on the triangle that says Drive. Now I need to find my Kids Infobits folder. So you'll see the folder section. The Kids Infobits folder is bright orange. Click here. All right, here is my information. So what this allows me to do is access the information that was most important to me in a quick and easy way. It also includes the bibliographic information, which is critical for when you are citing your research and letting people know what resources you used.